next building stone of is pronoun. In previous video we talked about the first building stone of speech, that is noun. इस वीडियो में हम pronoun के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What is pronoun? Pronoun replaces noun. pronoun जो है वो noun को replace करता है to avoid repeat को रोकने के लिए noun की जगह pronoun आता है. और ये होते हैं जैसे like, he, she, it, they, etc. Example: Riya eats, she loves mangoes. यहाँ पे रिया को द्वारा रिपीट करने से रुकने के लिए हमने she का यूज़ किया है और ये pronoun है. इसी तरह she save. इसी तरह से आप चेंज कीजिए. Change the noun to pronoun. जैसे कि the boy runs, the boy is fast. अब इसमें अगर हमें pronoun ऐड करना हो तो हम कहाँ करेंगे? यहाँ पे. The boy runs. He is fast. Now try yourself. जैसे कि राधा goes to market. Radha loves shopping. Now try yourself and write in comment how much do you understand the pronoun, the second building stone of speech. This is for the 10th class grammar series and we are talking about the second building stone of speech, that is pronoun. और अब आगे हम अगला जो इसका building stone है speech का, that is adjective. We will talk about that in next video. And till then, practice noun and pronoun and ask if any question you have in your mind. Like, subscribe, share and comment. Please, thank you.